This recipe can be an alternative to egg bhurji, which is commonly prepared at all our homes. To prepare this recipe, all you need is tomatoes, onions, and hard-boiled eggs. Let's get into the recipe. The first step is to boil the eggs and make sure these are hard-boiled eggs. And here I am using an egg boiler, which makes my work pretty easy. The next step is to chop the onions and tomatoes. Here I have taken 2 medium-sized onions and 4 medium-sized tomatoes. I used a hand chopper because we need finely chopped onions and tomatoes for our recipe. So now let's peel the eggs and start grating them. Here, prefer a grater which has medium to big sized holes to grate the eggs, to make sure that you're not grating them too finer. These grated hard boiled eggs impart a strong flavor to the dish. Take a medium sized pan, add about 4 tablespoons of oil, add 3 slit green chilies, saute for a while, then add chopped onions. After the onions turn translucent, add ginger garlic paste and fry till the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Then add the chopped tomatoes and let it cook on high flame for about 2 minutes. Then add about half cup of water and let it cook till the tomatoes become mushy. Now add pink salt, turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, and let it cook till you see the oil separating. Then add grated eggs, mix everything well and let it cook for about 2 minutes on low flame. Then add kasuri methi and coriander leaves. This dish can be served either with roti or rice. If you like this recipe, do check other recipes on my channel as well. Enjoy and subscribe for more.